What's happening, YouTube? Commander JSP here. I'm at Autobahn Park once again, but this time it's going to be a little different because I just purchased this Ace 250 a couple days ago. First coin I found with it was a 1937 Wheatie. I'm hoping that's an indicator of what's to come, so I'll get back to you if I find anything. Well, here's my first find. It's right here. I'm pretty sure it's a junk ring, but it's a ring, baby, nonetheless. Found by the Garrett Ace 250. Not too bad. First jewelry find. Alright, folks, I'm going to call off the hunt. Getting ate by mosquitoes and it's getting kind of late. So for October 14th, 2010 at Autobahn Park, I'm going to sign off. I'll show you my finds when I get home. Thanks. Alright, it's a beautiful day here on October 20th, 2010, Garland, Texas. I am going to rescan this park with the Ace 250, see if we can get anything else. All I managed to get here is a bunch of clads, so I'm going to pull out. I've decided to incorporate a little football card break into this metal detecting video. Went to Target, grabbed a few packs, and let's see if I can open this. Well, a little bit maybe. Alright. This is the Absolute from 08. John Beeson, I have about 20 of his. Ted Ginn, same thing. Deuce McCluster, Tatum Bell, Michael Bush. Jeez. Some chromage. Let me open this and then I'll recap. Alright, we got Gerald McCoy, Steve Smith, a purple refractor of TJ Hausmann-Zada, numbered to 555, and a rookie of Dexter McCluster. Alright, we're going to do some 2010 Prestige. Donovan, Santana Moss, Westbrook, Chris Cooley, and a nice Felix Jones, Prestigious Pros. Not numbered. Big old decoy. A rookie of Jarrett Brown. And Lee Evans, Pettigrew, Rogers, and D'Angelo Williams. Next pack, Threads for this year. No Sean, Fitzgerald, Dallas Clark, Ray Rice, Chris Chambers, Jeremy Shockey, Darren McFadden, Frank Gore, Donovan again, but this time in his Redskins outfit or uniform, and Darren Sproles, and a nice big old fat filler. Last pack we'll do will be this rookie and star. Alright, we got Brandon Marshall, Tony Gonzalez, Thomas Jones, a longevity of Sergio Kindle, numbered to 249. A nice big old decoy. Joseph Adai, Steve Smith, Wes Welker, Jeremy Macklin, Vernon Davis, and Mark Sanchez. Alright, back to detecting. Well, no metal detecting today.
Oh, why?
Yeah, because look at the rain everywhere.
Oh my God.
It's like filling up everything.
Why will it not stop raining?
That's what I'm saying.
Woo!
Yep, I think it's a rain out, definitely.
And that is Rangers president Nolan Ryan accepting the American League Championship trophy for the team. This comes just 2.5 months after he and his investment partner Chuck Greenberg pulled together the winning bid to buy the Rangers for $590 million.
Well, I went on 2 short hunts with the Ace 250 now, and here's what I've found. Looks like a hood to an old Matchbox or Hot Wheel car. Big chunk of, feels like aluminum. It's not lead. Old copper wire. Old buckle. An old socket. A part of an old light bulb, like screw-in bottom. An old copper pipe that's been pinched at this end. Some big type of washer to something, or gear, I don't know. Kind of an interesting pull tab. Has some tax writing on it, on the beaver tail part of the pull tab. Yeah, the ever-present and easy to find zipper. Little piece of something. Another little sharp piece of something. I'm glad I didn't cut myself on that. Nice little finished piece of metal that probably went on a belt or a strap of some sort, or maybe on the end of a piece of wood. I don't know. It's almost like the tip to a sheath or something. Then a bunch of clad, clad quarters. Finally finding nickels. That's nice. My old metal detector, I had to be in jewelry mode to find nickels. With this, I can be in coin mode and find nickels, so that's kind of cool. I'm digging a lot of nickels now, which I never did before. And a bunch of different stuff. Found one wheat penny. It's a 1937, and where the mint mark should be, there's like a hole. So that's what I've got to report on the first two hunts. I look forward to bringing y'all some more. Stay thirsty, my friends. Probably the best find of the first two hunts would probably be this ring. I'm not sure what it is made of. I'm pretty sure it's plated, but it has some great looking stones in it, even if they are probably not diamonds. They really pop in the light, especially that one in the center. This is the third ring I've found at Audubon Park. The first one is 925. It's an initial ring, and it's pretty heavy. The second one is marked Sterling, and I think it has a little piece of paste in it. And this is the third. Let's hope the fourth is gold.